talking statistically with expressions like median, mode, and mean. We've discussed these already. Median is the middle value of the set when the numbers are arranged in order of least to greatest. Remember to arrange them least to greatest. Remember that if it's an odd number of elements, it's the middle number. If it's an even number of elements, you have to find the average of the two middle numbers. With mode, it's the number that occurs the most frequently. And remember, a set can have no mode or it can have more than one mode. And with mean, that's just a fancy way to say average. The formula is always total over number of things. Now, ETS isn't going to make it so easy as what's the average. Typically, they're going to give you the average and they're going to give you the number of things, and you need to know that the first step to solving the problem is to find the sum. And the way to find the sum is to multiply the average by the number of things. So, for instance, if it said the average test scores of 5 students is 80, 80 times 5 means the sum of all the test scores is 400. And from there, you'll move through the rest of the problem. But that's just the first step.
Taking a look at this number 5, what is the average arithmetic mean of the 4 terms in the list above? So we notice those variables in the answer choices. Let's use our basic plug-in technique for this one. They give us the 4 terms 13 minus r, 13, 13 plus r, and r squared. So why don't we plug in an easy number, like 2 for r? So plugging in 2 for r, 13 minus r would give us 13 minus 2, which is 11. 13 is 13, we don't have to do anything to that. 13 plus r would give us 13 plus 2, which is 15. And r squared would give us 2 squared, which is 4. So the list contains the numbers 11, 13, 15, and 4. We need to find the average of those numbers, so we take their sum, 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 4, and we divide it by the number of numbers, which is 4, which gives us 43 over 4. That's the answer to the question, what's the average? So we put a box around that, and then we go to the answer choices, plugging in our 2 for r to find a match for 43 over 4. Answer choice A, 3, eliminate A. B is 12, so eliminate B. C is 13, eliminate C. D gives us 13 plus 2 over 4, which is 13 and a half. That's not 43 over 4. E gives us 39 plus r squared over 4. 39 plus 2 squared over 4 is 39 plus 4 over 4, which is 43 over 4. So we have a match to our boxed answer. The correct answer is E.